Good morning, friend. Today we want to start next question, that is from 5 we have to start. In last lecture we have to go up to the 4 questions. So exercise 9.1, only one exercise is there and already 1 to 4 sums we have completed. Now today we want to start from question number 5. So already on this lecture we have discussed about the angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of elevation and angle of depression. If I will from here, it is called angle of elevation. From top, if it here, it is called depression. Object is here. So the type of triangle we can make. So now we have to start from next, that is question number 5. A kite is flying at height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Inclination of the string with the ground is 60 meter. Find the length of string for length of string. So generally we have discussed in last lecture that when string is there, it is called hypotenuse. And height, so that is given. Height is given and we have to find out the hypotenuse. So on that way we are using the sign. So such we have to use. So according to this we can do, first I rub all the things. First we solve it. So first how the diagram is. So to make perfect diagram, here we have to write 60, here we have to write x, here we have to write theta. Now let me see that which type of diagram here. So same thing is at here. So here we have diagram. Now we go for, I want to rub this, that is why I am okay. So that is a diagram. Here it is a kite. So height of the kite is 60 meter. We have to find out the string, that is string. Here 30 is there. If value of root 3 is given at here, then we can put the value. Otherwise, in triangle, we can now name anything triangle, that is, we can, here they are using K, L and P. So, soch always opposite upon hypotenuse. So, soch we have to use. That is sine 60 degree is equal to KL upon KP. Sine 60, that is root 3 by 2. KL, that is 60 upon KP, that is string x. So x is equal to 120 by root 3. Now generally root 3 we have to rationalize. So into root 3 by root 3. So 120 root 3 by 3, that is 40 root 3. So 40 root 3 is the length of string. Now we can see it by proper way. So in triangle KLP you have to write KL upon KP is equal to sine 60. You have to write 60 divided by KP is equal to root 3 by 2. AB is equal to 120 root 3. Now we can rationalize it. So 30 40s are. So 40 root 3. Hence you have to say like hence answer. Hence the length of the string is 40 root 3. That way you have to write. Now we go for next question. Okay. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance 30 meter from a 30 meter tall building. So we have to first 30-meter building. Angle of elevation from his eye to the top of building is increased to 30 to 60 as we walk toward the building. So when I am always far, always degree is less, 30 degree. And if I walk toward the building, then again I see the building, the angles must be increased. So 30 to 60 as he walked toward the building. Find the distance he walked toward the building. So that we have to find. Here it is given 30. Now we can apply two things, that is tan 30 we can apply and tan 60 we can apply. A, B, C, and we can put up D at here. So for tan 60 we can find out BC from tan 30 that is AB upon BC, and afterward tan 60 is equal to again AB upon CD, or we can say BD, and then we can find out. Now let me see the first diagram or figure. So that is a figure. 30 meter is there. Now height of student is 1 point. So 30 minus first 1.5, that is 28.5. That is the height now from here, that is 28.5. Here and here. So here it is A, here it is B, here it is P, here it is R. Here these are all the same. Now let me see that how they are finding. So tan 60 and tan 30 we have to use. Now let PQ is a building. So PQ is a building. As A is a boys, AS is a boys of 1.5 meter tall. He moves from building. So he moves from building from A to B. PQ is equal to 30. So PR is equal to 30 minus 1.5 because we want to remove the height of a student, that is 28.5. Why I am writing 57 by 2? It is easy for calculation or cancellation. That is why. Now we have to apply tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to 57. Tan 30 means opposite. I am writing it here first. So here it is 30 degree. P, R, and here we have to write A. So tan 30 means opposite, that is 28.5. That is, here we have to write AR as it is. So tan 30 is equal to 28.5 upon AR. So AR is equal to 28.5 upon 10. Tan 30 means root 2, root 3. So 28.5 upon root 3. Now 28.5 means what? 57 by 2. So we can write 57 by 2. So to find out here how this calculation that I have to explain anyhow. So 57 by 2 upon AR is equal to 1 upon root 30. If I will cross multiplication, then AR is equal to 57 root 3 by 2. That is equation number 1 we can say. Now next what we have to do? Now tan 60 turn is now. So for tan 60 we have to draw one rough diagram. Two triangles we have to draw roughly. That is, now here P, B, So here it is B, here it is R, here it is P. Now 1060 we have to use again, and we have to find out BR. So 1060 is equal to again 57 by 2 divided by BR. So 1060 value is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 57 by 2 into BR. If you do the cross multiplication, we can get same again cross multiplication, then 57 to root 3. How we get again? Again I may explain. This must be multiple with 2. BR must be multiple with 2. That is why. Now if I am do the cross multiplication of it, then root 3 BR divided by 57 by 2, and then root 3 multiplied by 2. Now again we have to rationalize it. So if I multiply by root 3 at here, so 3 2 is 6. If I divide, we can get 19 root 3 by 2. So again BR, what is BR? That is 19 root 3 by 2. AR, that is 57 root 3 by 2. So that is from A to R we have get 57 root 3 by 2, and from B to R we can get 19 root 3 by 2. So we have to subtract it. So ST is equal to AB is equal to AR minus BR. So 57 root 3 by 2 minus 19 root 3 by 2. So denominator LCM is 2. So 2 is common. 57 minus 19, that is 38 root 3. If we cancel it by 2, we can get 19 root 3. Hence distance walking toward the building is 19 root 3. So that is question number 6. Fifth we have completed. 6 again explaining. 1.8 we have to minus, we have to write 28.5. we can find out full, that is we can say x. We can find out here it is y. If I subtract x minus y, I will get AB. So this. Now we go for next. So question number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the important that we have completed. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom, a point from the ground, angle of elevation of the bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at top of 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 respectively. Again, a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at top of 20-meter high building are 45 and 60. So there is a one building, we can say here one building that is 20 meter, and above there is a transmission tower. So from top and bottom, one is 45 and another is 60. Here it is 45 and here it is 60. That way we have to do the figure. Let me see that how they draw the figure. See, so here it is 20 meter, building height is 20 meter. Now here it is 45. 45, 1045 means, again I am say answer is 1. Degree of 1045 is 1. So BC is also 20 meter. Find the height of tower. So here we have to find out. So two different way we can do. Either 1045 I am taking, that is BC, upon CD. So 20 upon x is equal to 1. So here it is 20. Now in 1060 that I want to find out. Okay, so CD here 20 we have to put. Now to find out 1060 means x plus 20 upon 20. Now root 1060 means root 3. Root 3 is equal to x plus 20 by 20. This 20 here. So 20 root 3 is equal to x plus 20. So x is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. If I will make common 20, then root 3 minus 1. Let me see that how they are doing. So BC is a building. BC is a building. AB is a transmission tower. In triangle ABCD, CD is equal to here BC upon CD 45 is equal to 20 upon CD. Therefore CD is equal to 1, or we can say CD we have to find out. So cross multiplication we can say 20. CD is equal to, from here multiplication, then CD multiplied by 1 is equal to 20. So CD is equal to 20, or we can say BC and CD is same. BC is equal to CD. Next, now AC upon CD. Again BC and CD are same now. BC and CD is equal to same. Now 1060 is equal to AC upon CD. AC, that is from A to C, AC. So in AC, AB plus BC, here AB plus BC divided by CD. Now here it is BC is 20. So if we do from here, value of 1060 is root 3. So if we calculate this, AB plus 20 is equal to, here we have to put value 20, CD value is 20. So AB plus BC upon 20 is equal to root 3. Here is also value is 20. So AB plus 20 is equal to 20 root 3. So AB is equal to, if I want to find that, I have to shift this 20 at here. So 20 root 3 minus 20. So if I will make common, then root 3 minus 20. Let me see that. So hence the transmission of height of tower is 20 bracket root 3 minus 1. So height of tower is 20 root 3 minus 1. That is one example, or we can say practical example. But when 10, 20, 45 is there, always answer is 1. Now we go for next question. That is 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of pedestal. So pedestal means pillar. Here one statue's height is 1.6 meter. From a point on the ground, angle of elevation of top of statue. Angle of elevation of top of statue is 60. And from the same point, angle of elevation of top of pedestal, that is 40. I find the height of pedestal. So we can say h, or we can say x. So 1045 is equal to h upon x. So h is equal to x. So here we have to put x. Now 1060 means what? Or we can say h at here. 1060 means 1.6 plus h upon h. Now 1060 is root 3. So root 3h is equal to 1.6 plus h. So h we can count common. So root 3 minus h is equal to 1.6. So h is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. If I rationalize it, then answer must be 1.6 divided by 2 root 3 plus 1. If I divide it, we can get 0.8 root 3 plus 1. So according to V, answer is 0.8 bracket root 3 plus 1. Now let me see that how they are doing. Answer we have get 0.8 root 3 plus 1. First of all, we'll draw the diagram. So again, here it is a B, C, that is height of pedestal. Here it is statue, distance. Now BC is a pedestal. Whatever I am doing, same thing they are doing. Let BC is a pedestal and AB is 1.6 meter high statue in triangle BCD. So triangle B, C and D, first small triangle. On that time 10:45, so BC and CD are same. So now in ACD, big triangle, AB plus BC, that is AB plus BC upon CD. But we know that BC is equal to CD. So I have to put here, remove CD and put BC. Why I have to put BC? Because I want to find out. Now if I calculate it, then here multiply with root 3 BC and put value of AB. Value of AB is 1.6. So 1.6 plus BC upon BC is equal to root 3. Now this root 3 multiply with BC. So BC into root 3. So BC plus 1.6 is equal to BC root 3. Now to find out BC, first I have to shift this. So it should be minus. So BC root 3 is equal to, we can write like that, BC plus 1.6. So BC root 3 minus BC is equal to 1.6. Now BC is common. So root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So that way, and if we have to find out BC, then it should be multiple should go into denominator. But here minus sign is that, so we have to rationalize it. So multiply by root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So here difference of square, root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. That is root 3 square minus 1 square. That is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So that way we have get answer. So whatever I am going to write the answer first, same thing they are doing. So that is question number 8 we have completed. Now we go for 9. Angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of tower. Angle of elevation of building from the foot of tower is 30. Angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of building is 60. So one is tower and one is building. So that type of figure you have to draw. A, B, C, D. Now here the calculation is, so two triangles we have to draw like that. That is A, B, C. Again one big triangle here we have to draw. That is B, D. Here it is also D. And here, see, both are same. Here we have to use 30 degree. Here we have to use 60 degree. Now we have to find out the height AB. That is the height of building. That is AB is equal to building. Here AB is equal to building and CD is a tower. Now first triangle, that is here 10, 60. Therefore CD upon BD. So CD upon BD is equal to 1060. Here it is 50. So 50 upon BD is equal to root 3. Therefore BD is equal to 50 root 3. So we can get value of BD is equal to root 3. Now here triangle ABD, AB upon BD, AB upon BD is equal to 1030. So AB upon 50 root 3 is equal to value of 1030, that is 1 upon root 3. So now cross multiplication if we do, then AB is equal to 50 root 3 multiplied by 1 upon root 3. So 50 into 3. So if we cancel this, we can get answer 16 integer 2 by 3. So hence the height of building is 16 integer 2 by 3. Again 2 figures you have to draw and then we can solve the sum. Next, okay, that is question number 11. So TV tower stand vertically on a bank of river. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on line joining the point to the foot of tower, the angle of elevation of top of tower is 30 degree. Find the height and width. So here it is h, here it is x. Question is like that, there is a tower stand on vertically bank of river. So opposite to it, if I will walk 20, the angle must be changed. When angle is 30 degree, it means the object is far. Now as we go toward the tower, the angle must be changed 60 degree. So how we can find out the two things we have to have, x and h also. So simple, tan 60 is equal to h upon x. Tan 60 means root 3 is equal to h upon x. So we can say h is equal to root 3x. Now tan 30, that is h upon 20 plus x. Now value of tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3. H means again root 3x upon 20 plus x. If I will cross multiply, so 20 plus x is equal to 3x. Therefore x is equal to 10. When x equal to 10, afterward if height is equal to 10 root 3. So same thing they are doing it here. So AB upon BC is equal to 1060. So BC is equal to AB upon root 3. So here we can get value BC is equal to AB upon root 3. Now 1030. 1030 means CD plus BC is equal to 1 upon root 3. AB upon BC plus CD is equal to 1 upon root 3. If I will put value of CD, that is AB upon root 3. If we simplify it, we can get AB is equal to 10 root 3. And we put value in BC, we can get value 10. Another again another method. That is, take AB is equal to H and BC is equal to X. Now if I will write 1060, therefore AB, that is H upon X, here to X. Now 1060 means root 3 is equal to H upon X. So H is equal to root 3x. That is the best way I am explaining it here. Now 1030, that is H upon 20 plus x. Now 1030 value, that is 1 upon root 3 is equal to value of H, that is root 3x upon 20 plus x cross multiplication, then 20 plus x is equal to 3x. So 3x minus x is equal to 20. So 2x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 10. So your answer is 10. Now height h is equal to root 3x. So 10 root 3. So here we have get same answer, but here they put the value instead of it. You can do it by this method also. So 16 sum it, and out of mostly exam based sums I have completed. It is sufficient now. So that is the end of chapter.